Welcome to our first ever Changemaker Moments event in Leeds. Super excited to come up here to the north, get involved in the wonderful Burberry hub here. And today's focus is very much manufacturing. So it will be three parts. We've got something called a Careers Uncovered panel. Then you're going to be doing some of the speed networking reverse mentoring. And on top of that, we've got a marketing challenge.
We formed the Changemaker Alliance to help companies deliver opportunity to young people. It's really important that we do events all across the United Kingdom and beyond so that we give young people the opportunity to interact with business no matter where they're based. If there are companies that are looking at getting involved, firstly, please join the Changemaker Alliance. Giving back will help you, and it will certainly make you feel good.
Someone who's interested in coming to an event like this, I say it's very interactive. You learn quite a lot in a short amount of time, and I think it's vital for your future. It's fun. It's good to meet new people. It's good to explore new opportunities.
The youth of today and the future of the workforce are approaching what work-life balance looks like from a very different perspectives. There's a greater importance and reliance of work-life balance and doing something that is meaningful to you. The event series and the partnership as a whole, it's coming from a place of truly doing good and, making an impact.